Hey ladies, it's me, Brandy. I am making a video today about the Lashify control kit. In this video, you're gonna find a little clip of just a visual of what comes in your Lashify kit. Make sure you guys hit subscribe. I have lots of videos carrying you through my Lashify journey. If you guys are on the fence about your Lashify control kit, I was, and I kind of have some remedies for some of the ladies that are on a budget in some of my other videos, but I went ahead and bought the whole entire control kit because I needed several of the essentials. The core products of Lashify come in the control kit. So I'm going to be heading over, showing you what comes in the control kit, and we'll follow up in just a sec. Walking you through, I just got the control kit the other day. You know, the concept behind Lashify is if you are at all interested whatsoever in lash extensions, Lashify's concept is you could be your own lash tech at home. So if that's ever been something that's interested to you, if you've ever been a strip lash wearer, or if, you know, in quarantine you haven't been able to get your eyelash extensions updated, the concept for Lashify is a replacement for your strip lashes or your eyelash extensions. We're gonna do a little unbox together. It comes in this beautiful packaging. Lashify has very beautiful products. The control kit is considered very luxurious. I am very excited of the fact that it even comes in this box because I'm going to be able to store my stuff in it, keep it separate from my makeup because it is separate from your makeup. Hopefully you're going to be getting, you know, 10 to 15 days from your lashes. Magnetic box. And then we're going to open it up and it looks like there's another covering here. It's a little Lashify card, and I believe there's another box within a box. These are called wandums. So these will cover your wand, which comes in your kit, and that just prevents the tack and the glue from sticking to the wand. So these are essential products that you need if you're going to be your own lash tech. Okay, so we're gonna move forward with this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I didn't know that this came in here. So before we get into the kit, I just want you guys to see this is for future storage. So you're going to be able to store your cartridges in here. That's a huge bonus. That's a huge plus. This is going to be awesome because it's a storage kit separate from your makeup. Okay, huge guys, bonus. So I just opened this up. So I'm in the mirror right here. Hi guys. I'm carrying on. Okay, so this comes with 2 cartridges of lashes of your choice. They have the different choices on the website, and I know that can be kind of tricky, so if you have any questions about that, make sure to leave those in the comments and I can kind of address you personally on that, because this is a whole other video on what lashes to get. I did get the Amplify. This comes with the glue that you'll need, so that is the Whisper Light. And then there's the wandum, which is patented by Lashify. I personally did have a tweezers that was shaped similar to this. You guys know I used to be a stylist in the salon. I mean, I'm still a stylist. I'm just at home right now with my little kids, but I will work again. I had a similar one that I was using. It's not exactly the same, definitely not as near as high quality. And not only that, I had lots of sticking problems, so I wanted to invest in the Lashify's wand with the wandums, because the wandums, they protect from sticking, and I had lots of sticking with my personal wand. But the reason why I actually bought the control kit this late in the game was because I needed the glass. Anytime I took a shower, or the hair wash day, and you guys know I don't wash my hair every single day, and neither should you. I needed the glass, and that's what this one is right here. So that's for showering, that's for water, that's for face wash. It just really goes in and protects the lashes for you so you can get the longest wear. So that's the kit. I believe that everything was $145. I had been a previous Lashify customer, so I was not able to utilize some of their discount codes. So that is another thing to take into consideration. If you're on the fence about buying the kit, I would use one of their promo codes. They're awesome. There's just a little bit more of a view of the kit. I'm super excited about the storage alone. These are for our lash cartridges, and this can kind of keep separate from our makeup. And I did get the rainbow wand. So I hope that helps, ladies. Bye, guys. So I'm just wrapping up. I'm going to start putting my lashes on. It's Saturday night, and I have family pictures tomorrow. But I just wanted to, just wrap up this video. I just took you through the control kit. I'm going to be getting ready. I'm going to be using my new Wandums. I still have some Whisper Light left. And honestly, I'm on the very end of it. And you guys, I've been getting the longest wear ever. So I just wanted to kind of leave a little hack with you. The older that your bond gets, the more tackier it gets. And you're just going to have a lot of success as you keep going, as your bond sets up. So just a little hack on the end of this video: when you start using your Lashify, when you go in, use the triple bond method, which is in my lash section on my channel. So go ahead, click on that triple bond method, and just really let that bond set up before you go in and put the lashes on. You're gonna get such a longer wear. And I did invest in the glass this time because every time I was washing my hair, and I only wash my hair 3 to 4 times a week, or every 3 to 4 days, I could feel that lift from the hair wash. So I did invest in the glass, and I'll keep you posted on that like I always do, ladies. So make sure you click subscribe, because if you like this and you thought this was helpful, or any of my other videos, you guys will love my videos. If you're a 30 going on 40, you'll love this stuff. Bye, guys.